Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com. A beautiful evening across central Indiana. Mid and high-level clouds are streaming overhead, setting up what is a absolutely gorgeous sunset. It's a cold night, and temperatures tonight will dip down into the lower 20s across central Indiana. But we noticed some teens across northeastern portions of the state. That's where some snow cover was laid down yesterday in association with those lake effect snow showers. Moving forward, quiet day again tomorrow. A chilly day, nothing too terrible for this time of year, though. Clouds will be on the increase, and we'll introduce showers into our forecast as early as Thursday evening. This is the forecast radar valid 7 o'clock Thursday evening, and showers will begin to overspread the area from the southwest Thursday night. Setting up what is a rather damp day on Friday. We'll back this up just a little bit as low pressure moves into the lower Great Lakes region and moves some showers across the area. Not a big rain event, but a quarter to a half inch of rain possible. We still are trying to sort through the details concerning our Sunday into Monday weather forecast. Not ready to put our any sort of forecast with certainty, if you will, concerning Sunday. Want to give it a couple more model runs before we try to really hone in on what's going to evolve in that time frame. Again, what we are confident on, though, is a big blast of Arctic air that moves in here early next week, and then the latest European forecast models suggest a reinforcement of that Arctic air plunges in here for the middle part of next week as well. We'll talk a little bit about maybe some of the upper air features that are being left out of the equation concerning potentially some snow showers with this fast-moving northwest flow here in a bit. But just wanted to touch on, again, showers Friday and then question marks concerning the second half of the week, and particularly Saturday night and Sunday. We'll fine-tune that in the days ahead. Speaking of the challenging pattern ahead, we know we've got the Arctic air in place. It's going to be very cold early next week. Forecast models can really struggle at times with handling little impulses of energy in a fast-moving northwest flow with these type patterns. And what may seem like a very quiet, rather calm weather pattern from a precipitation perspective can suddenly turn quite active as the forecast models begin to get a handle on the overall weather pattern with this fast and challenging northwest flow. So don't be surprised if we have to deal with little impulses of energy providing snow showers into our forecast next week from time to time. Again, that's going to be something that forecast models probably won't pick up on until we get a little bit closer to the event, but nonetheless, that's something we're going to keep an eye on. Also, very interesting to note, the MJO rather revved up, remains revved up. We've been talking about this swinging through phases 8, 1, and 2 before it goes into the wheelhouse here and potentially begins to recycle as we go into February. What does that imply for our particular part of the country? Well, as we look here, in January, phases 8, 1, and 2 are quite cold for our particular part of the country and the east, for that matter. Overall, again, you've got to have some other things line up. But if you're just looking at the MJO, it would suggest we've got a cold few weeks ahead. Again, there's phase 8, and then we'll scroll up here really fast to phases 1 and 2 just to show you again how it kind of reloads the cold in the Midwest and continues to keep the Ohio Valley rather chilly. Something, again, we'll keep an eye on in the long range. Before we begin to wrap things up, guys, again, I believe that may have done it. That's got it. Again, tonight, rather calm night ahead. Overnight lows in the lower 20s. Quiet day tomorrow before clouds increase and showers arrive Thursday evening. Sets up a rather wet and chilly close to the work week, and then, again, some questions concerning Saturday night into Sunday. Make it a great evening, guys. Stay tuned to NDWX.com. We'll keep you updated.